Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. In this video, we're going to be working on the Ri4000. I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the white cleaning frequency or the levels on there in case you're running a big order. Now changing this setting can let you run a few more prints before the machine does maintenance and checks the print head for adequate ink. I'm also going to show you guys how to increase the white underbase using the control panel on the printer and not the software. Okay guys, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the white cleaning frequency. So to adjust that, we're going to go to settings, options. We're going to scroll to the second page here on the screen and we're going to select white cleaning frequency. Mine's set to level 2, but you can set to level 1 if you're going to be running a lot of jobs. This is going to let you run more prints before the unit starts to do its maintenance. Now don't forget to set this back to the level 3 once you're done, and always hit change so you save those settings. Okay, now the other one I'm going to show you guys is going to be how to get a little bit more white on your underbase. So let's say you printed an image, the underbase looks good, but you need a little bit more white. What you want to do is you go to settings, options. You're going to scroll all the way to the third option in your screen here. You're going to go to white mount adjustments. Now if you like the way it looks but you need a little bit more ink, you can always go to a level 3. Now if you're at a level 2 and it's too much ink, you can go down to a level 1. Okay, and that's how you adjust a little bit of the white underbase to give you a little bit more white ink when printing the underbase, or reduce a little bit of that underbase. Alright, thank you guys for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Leave us a like, give us some comments, let us know what you guys think about these videos, and we'll see you guys next time.